lovely viewers, and welcome to another exciting edition of Nessy's Healthy Cooking with SaladMaster. My name is Nessy. Now, today we're doing something extremely special. All of the recipes I do here are special, but this one is very special and dear to me. It's Grandma's recipe, so I just want to say thank you, Grandma Cecilia, for giving us the opportunity to share this amazing recipe with the world. What are we doing today? We are doing what we call white jollof with chicken. Let's see the ingredients. So the first thing we're going to start with today is the chicken. Now, as you can see, the skin of this chicken has been taken off because it contains like 65+% of the fat in the chicken. You want to cook, fry it healthier, and you're actually going to fry this without oil. To help us fry this chicken, we're going to use the bad boy. I know most of you love the bad boy, and today you're going to see it in action once more. And as you can see, we have marinated the chicken for a bit, for like about 2 hours or so. You can do it overnight. I mean, with the marination, it doesn't matter how long it takes. It depends on how you want your protein, so just feel free with that. Let's just get started with the frying. My bad boy has already been preheated. So as you can see, not a single drop of oil in here. I am just going to take my chicken. Hands are washed and all. I'm just going to drop them in and start frying. Now this bad boy here is half your kitchen. Why? Because it does every form of cooking that you can think of. The frying, the grilling, the roasting, the souping, stewing, ricing, whatever. This is your go-to piece to have. And today, you're seeing it in action frying. Okay. Let me just do the arrangement well, because everything will fit perfectly in here. All right. Now, I don't know if you can see this, probably not, but I'll come and show you later. Since we are frying, we are not going to cover the bad boy completely. We are just going to crack it open. This is the frying method in SaladMaster. Guys, frying without a single drop of oil. This can only be achieved with a specialist cooking system, SaladMaster, on a clean surface, so there is no chemical reaction with your food and your source of pan or utensil. Now it's been about 10 minutes, and I think it's time for us to flip our chicken. Let's see what's happening here. Ah, look at that. Viewers, can you see the oil that has drained from the chicken? Remember, we did not add a single drop of oil in here. So this is oil that has been extracted from the chicken, I dare say. So now it's time for us to just turn it. Ah, I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing. Can you see that? Wow. This is amazing. Turn it all now for the other side to brown as well. And that's it. Okay, so now once everything is flipped, I'm just gonna put the lid on top again, crack it open for the other side to flip for about 8 to 10 minutes, and the chicken will be ready. Now it's been about a total of about 15 to 17-ish minutes since we started frying. I believe it's all done. So here we go. It's all done. Nicely fried. Chicken fried without a single drop of oil in here. Let me just play this for you to see. Let me plate it. Here we go. Golden brown chicken. Okay. You must remember we did not have to use any oil to fry this. The SaladMaster, we're trying as much as possible to use very little to no oils to do our cooking. And today, once again, the chicken has been fried and we did not have to use oil. Look at that. This looks delish. And see all the oils once again that came out of the chicken. SaladMaster, we're definitely changing lives. Now on to the ingredients for the white jollof. Here we have blended onions. We have green pepper, garlic, and green pepper and garlic blended together. A cup of rice. The rice could be any choice of rice you'd want. We have here flaked tuna. Some nutmeg. And one large size carrot. For our white jollof today, we're using the 3-quart to do the cooking. And in here, I have the oils that was extracted from the chicken in here. And that's what we're going to cook our white jollof with. I need you to pay attention here. This is not the regular jollof, you know, because the very first thing that's going to go in here after I have put this on fire will be the flaked tuna. Now let's go to the fire and let's get started. Like I mentioned earlier, the very first thing that we throw into the pan will be the flaked tuna. So it's going in first. And then we give it a good stir. You leave it to sizzle and fry for about 3 minutes. Okay. I'm just going to lower the fire a bit and then give it a covering, and in a minute or two we'll continue. So it's been about 3 minutes of the tuna sizzling in there. It's time for us to put in the nutmeg. Look at that. Fried well. Great. So you're putting a bit of the nutmeg now. And then you keep the nutmeg in to simmer with the tuna for about 5 minutes. Now, in about 5 minutes, that fishy smell, will be taken over by the very aromatic smell of the nutmeg. And that's just how we want our white jollof to smell. All right, so we'll leave it to sizzle for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. think it's time for us to check on the nutmeg and the tuna. Oh my God, this smells so divine. This is good. All right. Now we are going to add our grounded onions. Give it a good stir. Oh gosh. Okay, onions have gone in. Once again, we want everything to sizzle very well. So, cover it 3 minutes. We come back. Okay, now it's time to put in the blended pepper and garlic. Now we're just about to add the rice to the sauce on fire now. Look at that. The smell is so good. I'm adding a bit of black pepper. Just a little. And a bit of my natural spice. Okay, it's time to check the rice. Alrighty. It's almost done. White jollof. It smells so good in here. Look at that. Okay, I think I'm just going to cover it for a bit for the steam in there to soften the rice a little more, and then we're going to serve up. And of course I'm going to add some chopped carrots in here as well. Okay, we're going to add some carrots to our white rice. I'm using cone 3 of the food processor, the amazing food processor, to chop it up. Easy breezy. In 3, 2, 1, I am done chopping all the carrots. And now I'm gonna just throw this on the white jollof in there. Adding some carrot for a pop of color. Yeah, here we go. The white jollof is actually ready, you know. Now viewers, look at this. Grandma's authentic white jollof is done and ready for consumption. How does this look? Look at that. Very beautiful, very, the smell is so good in here. I just hope you try this at home. Give it a try. I mean, this is something new, something fresh. And I want to say thank you once again to Grandma Cecilia for sharing this recipe with the world. This has been Nessy's Healthy Cooking. I am so excited to come your way today, and I can't wait to come your way again next week. Keep watching, do subscribe, do share, and do comment as well. See you next week. Bye-bye.